Hi everyone, here's the minute and a half at Northwind. We're dividing Coreopsis Zagreb. These were dug out of the field. We put them in 2.5-inch pots in the field in June the previous year. And let's look at the growth we get from one 2.5-inch container in one season. Planted June, dug in late April, and then we're going over here and they get cleaned off and they're in Gabino's cutting them into little pieces. You see the small divisions? He's making small divisions. So we're getting probably 8, 10, 12 per plant, roughly around 8 on average, because we're making them 3 to 4 stems. And then he puts them in a tray, and then Sabina is taking them and she's potting them into 32s. So let's watch for a minute. She puts them in a 32, backfills with soil, and she'll do that. And then we move them to this cart. And already this morning in, what time is it? In an hour and a half, we've got 320 plants that we'll put outside. And they all root in and be ready to go into gallons or into the ground by early June. About the first week, second week, depending on the weather. So that's one of our processes for production. Again, this is Coreopsis Zagreb. We use it quite a bit, mingling in with a lot of other plants. It's a very stable plant. Okay, bye everyone. See you later. Bye.